dental implant is a piece of titanium designed to replace the root of a natural tooth. This piece of titanium is going to be inside of the bone jaw, and that's the one going to hold the crown to restore properly the smile or the function of the mouth. Dental implants, they are designed to stay in the bone jaw for a long time. As soon as they integrate, this integration normally takes from 4 to 6 months. Once the implant is fully integrated, it's going to work same as the natural tooth. With cleanings, gum treatments, keeping the gum in healthy condition, those implants are designed to last as many years of the patient's life. If you have any questions about implants, you can call us. We can give you all the information that you need. And any questions that you have, we're going to be able to clear up.